Hi, my name is Kaitlyn Dalton. I'm from St. John's, Newfoundland, and I'm in my 4th year of chemical engineering here at Dalhousie University. I decided to come to Dal Engineering because I knew when I was in grade 12 that I wanted to move away from home for university. I didn't know exactly where, I didn't want to go too far, so I was researching schools within Atlantic Canada and I found Dal in Halifax. And everyone here just seemed so welcoming, and Halifax seemed like the perfect fit where it was just like home, but a little bit bigger to have that new exciting experience. So I was really excited to see what Dal had to offer, and the more that I researched it, the better and more exciting it seemed. I would describe chemical engineering as involving the designing and development of products through large-scale chemical manufacturing. It's best explained through an example. So if a chemist has a small reaction to make a certain product, a chemical engineer will then come in and take that reaction and put it into a large-scale basis in a plant. So we will have to make sure that, what type of reactors that you would need, that the process runs smoothly when it's scaled up, things like that. Chemical engineering can be very versatile though, so you often get to work with other disciplines such as mechanical engineering and electrical engineering. At Dalhousie, I participate in the co-op program, and at my last co-op, I was actually working as a research assistant with the Hydrogen Applications Research Laboratory here in the Chemical Engineering building on Sexton campus. During my time there, I helped work on a micro-combined heat and power unit that operates on a hydrogen-enriched natural gas organic Rankine cycle, which is a pretty fancy way to say that it's a heat and power unit for your home. The hydrogen lab focuses on taking hydrogen and putting it into natural gas and trying to figure out appliances that work with that combination so that way we can help lower our emissions throughout all of Nova Scotia. I'm really passionate about the energy sector and the energy field, and I'm really excited to work in that field because I'm only 21 years old, so a lot of my life I've heard about climate change and I'm starting to see the effects of climate change on our Earth, and it kind of makes me a little bit nervous as to what my future will look like and what my peers' future will look like. So I think a lot of people my age are passionate about creating new sustainable ways for us to live and work, so that way we can create a more sustainable future. Chemical engineers can actually have a major impact on creating a more sustainable future. With reference to my previous work in the hydrogen lab, they're testing appliances that have hydrogen-enriched natural gas in hopes that we can help lower our greenhouse gas emissions. Even small things like that can add up over time and then create a more sustainable future. Throughout my last 4 years at Dalhousie, I've had the opportunity to be a part of several extracurricular activities, ranging from being a part of a sports team to being a part of other societies. Right now, I'm the editor-in-chief of the Sexton Publishing Society here on Sexton campus. Within that role, I create a newspaper every other month, and I work with a team of other engineering students to help connect our community. Some advice that I would give for anyone considering chemical engineering or engineering in general is to never stop believing in yourself. Engineering can get a bit tough, especially when you have so many classes to keep track of and a lot of workload to do. But as long as you have confidence in yourself and you truly believe that you can get through it, then no matter how hard it gets, I promise you that you absolutely will get through it.